In today's video, I'll be showing you how I transform this smallest room in the house into a very beautiful room for my baby girl. So this is the smallest room, and this was how we found it when we moved in. It was in gray color. We had to change the color and work on it. So this is it. It's beautiful. It has little closets, and the color was gray. Mother wanted pink, so we had to paint the room pink. So let's keep watching. So welcome to the room review. So if you walk into a room, this is the door. You have some hangers in there that she barely used because she has a little closet. So immediately you get into the room, you get to see this. So this is her bed, the little flower panel. I love the way it came out. I added a little bit of green leaf and it looks so beautiful. So this is her bed. Like I said, I got it from Facebook Market, but the seller did not do the right thing. In fact, they're supposed to fix the bed for us, but they did not, and we paid for that. And it wasn't a side gas lift, it was from the bottom. So this is her bed. She has a squishmallow, she calls that. And she has this lovely frozen blanket that was a gift during Christmas from a friend. It's so beautiful. And over here you could lift the bed up. It has storage underneath. So if you go to the wall, I really love this wall. So it has little bits of positive affirmations for her. I want her to wake up every morning knowing that she's all kind of amazing and know that she can start every day all over again. And I want her to follow her dreams. I want her to know that being different makes her beautiful, because she's the only black girl in her class. At this stage, sometimes she asks me, oh, why is my hair not long and like my friends? I'm like, don't worry, you're beautiful. So I want her to know she's beautiful in and out. I just want her to have lovely things, to know that she's all. There's so many beautiful reasons to be happy. The world is full of beautiful things like you. So I really love this wall. Waking up to this in the morning, I think is amazing. What do you think, guys? It's my favorite part of the room. Yep. So I went ahead and added this to the room. So yeah, she has her little teddies. What's it called? LOL toys. So I added this to the room. So she has this little chef. We met this chef in the room. So I think I showed you guys in the first video. So yeah, she has her LOL dolls, and then she has a little bit of a vanity. So she has a roll-on rub share bottle, and she has her oils and hairspray and brushes. She has some bangles in there as well. Then over here she has a little book area. So Rupa likes drawing, so she has a drawing suitcase over there, and in here a little bit of more storage for her. And in this box she has what's it called, bangles, headband, and girly things, I think. And this is her cream and her little diffuser stroke light. So she owns this at night so she can see when she wakes up to pee. She has this on all through the night. Then she has a little mirror over here that she really loves. In fact, this mirror, she wanted a bigger one, but I don't think there's space for a mirror in this room. So she has this little mirror. So in the little mirror she has where she can keep her elastic band. So I don't know about you guys, but we keep looking for elastic band in this house. So it's a good thing she has this place to keep them. And she has little bits of different things. She has another mirror here as well. And just a little bit painting things, oils, and little things that she loves. Then so over under the table there's a draw out section of the table, so she have more cupboards for painting, more painting items. She loves painting a lot. And then she have these more pencils in here. She loves painting. And then we have the little full stool. So this stool is really beautiful. She really loves it. And look at the legs. I love the golden legs. It's really beautiful. So she can easily put it under the table so she can have space. You see, the room is really tight, but we've been able to make it work. Then over here she has more chefs. So over here she have more teddy bears up there, books and pencils. She painted this when she was in year 1, I think. And she have this box that she been saving money since I could remember. And then she has some candles. And that's it. Then we have her wardrobe over here where she has some more hair accessories, attachments, wools. And then her wardrobe is over here. So that's a little wardrobe. And that is it, guys. I'm going to leave the link of where I got the things. You could get them from Amazon, some from Shein. I hope you enjoy the room tour. Remember to share, subscribe, like, and comment. See you guys in my next video.